Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be showing you how I can render 4 videos at the same time with the AMD Threadripper 1950X. This has 32 gigs of memory. I have the RX 580 for the rendering video card and a RX 980 titanium. And I'm going to show you how I can render 4 videos at the same time. These 4 videos are from my secondary gamer channel that I have, and it's strictly gaming. So you can clearly see over here on the right that these 8 CPUs kicked in when I was playing this particular video here. Each one of these has their own 8. Let's get to it. That like button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,